In today's video, I'm going to teach you what to know before you start using Monarch Money in 2025. As we embark on this journey, I'm excited to guide you through some critical elements you should be aware of before diving into this powerful financial tool. Monarch Money offers a suite of features designed to streamline your financial management, and understanding these can significantly enhance your budgeting strategy. To begin with, let's talk about budgeting styles. Within Monarch Money, you'll find diverse budgeting options to suit your needs. Whether you lean towards traditional category-based budgeting or prefer a more flexible system, Monarch has you covered. What's great about the flex budgeting option is its rollover feature. It allows any unspent funds from one month to carry over to the next. This feature is especially beneficial if your income or expenses vary monthly. So, as you explore these options, think about which style aligns best with your financial goals. Next, we'll explore the goals and tracking section. This is where Monarch Money truly shines for those keen on tracking their savings, debt payoff, or even managing sinking funds. These are automated features, meaning you don't have to manually update every little detail, allowing you time to focus on your broader financial strategy. By setting clear goals within Monarch, you'll gain insights into your progress, assisting you in staying accountable and motivated. Security is paramount in any financial tool, and Monarch Money doesn't disappoint. The platform implements bank-level encryption to ensure your data is as secure as your financial institutions keep their own. Furthermore, it only offers read-only access to your accounts, which means while your financial activities can be tracked, there's no risk of unauthorized transactions. Additionally, they provide two-factor authentication for added peace of mind. This robust security foundation allows you to trust your personal and financial information is safe and secure. Now, moving on to the multi-account view feature. This functionality allows you to link various accounts, be it personal, business, or investment related, to have a comprehensive financial overview. Imagine having a dashboard where all your accounts are at your fingertips, providing a holistic view of your financial health. It's a tremendous convenience for consolidating your financial data and can aid in making informed decisions across all aspects of your finances. Lastly, let's discuss recurring expenses. Managing subscriptions and bills can often be a headache, but Monarch Money simplifies this process with its tracking capabilities. The platform not only monitors recurring expenses, but also sends notifications, ensuring you never miss a payment or lose track of any subscriptions. This proactive approach can help in budgeting and avoiding unnecessary fees from missed payments. And there you have it, a glance at the essential features of Monarch Money to keep in mind as you set sail on your financial management journey in 2025. By understanding and utilizing these features, you can set a strong foundation for achieving your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope this information empowers you to make the most of Monarch Money.